Mounce, BBG, chapter 29, sentence 7. Here you got starting off with a substantival participle. There's no other noun that it's modifying, obviously. So only other piece to recognize is this is another place where you got the one definite article and yet two substantival participles. So you're talking about this same person and two things that are true of them is sort of the idea here. Okay, so it's not only the one having, and again, to make that substantival and keep the participle idea, it's easy to just say the one having. And you may recognize this because you've done this sentence, what, 2 or 3 times already in pieces, and Mounce is sort of just built on it. So now you can put it all together, hopefully. So the one having the commandments of me, right, or my commandments, and keeping, and in both of these cases, what you have is you have this nominative singular masculine ending, which lines up with the definite article, right? And both this one from echo and this one from tereo have the present stem, so they're going to both be present active participles, nominative singular masculine, and that's easy enough if you remember on, uso, on, plus the fact that you've been given a hint with this definite article. Okay, that's sort of your backdoor approach there. So and keeping them, right? And here is going to be accusative plural, so you're just going to run with them. Then you notice he shifts to a kainos, nominative masculine singular, like that one. So that necessitates you, when you run into that, it's awkward unless you put a comma, in my opinion. So I would say something like the one having my commandments and keeping them, comma, that one is, and here's your present active from a me, third singular. That's easy enough. It lines up with a kainos. That one is, and then you have the one loving me. So that's easy enough as well. So trick to remember here is not only is this a substantival participle, all right, it is also a predicate nominative in the sense that it's nominative singular masculine lining up with a kainos, points back to a kainos, further describes a kainos. Here's your equative verb, so that's why this is also in the nominative singular masculine. So again, that one is the one loving me. So, and the one loving me, so you have the exact same expression with the postpositive day, of course, but it's ho agapon me is the same exact expression. So, and the one loving me, and hopefully you remember this from agapao, but it's a future passive, and here you see that it's third singular, so he will be loved, right? And who is that who will be loved? The one loving me. The one loving me will be loved by the father of me, or by my father, right? Then you have kago, which is the contraction of kai and ego, so and I. And hopefully you recognize this as just the insertion of the sigma to tell you that it's a future. I will love him. All right, so going back to the beginning, the one having the command or my commandments and keeping them, comma, that one is the one loving me. And the one loving me will be loved by my Father, and I will love him.